Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make free money on Twitter for 2019 here on New Year's Day, January 1st, 2019. Happy New Year, by the way. Stick around, we'll be right back in just a few seconds. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and Happy New Year, by the way. I think I told somebody that there in the first part there, but today's video, and for the first day of the year, I'm going to show you how to make free money, easy money, on Twitter using different niches on how to do that, okay? Alright, so if you've been here before, you know we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, general money-making videos, and like I said earlier, and what was it I want to say? Oh, we add motivation videos in once in a while too to help you out too and keep you motivated. All right, well, let's go ahead and get right in on this, and shouldn't be too long a video here, but I'll show you how to make some easy money on Twitter using ClickBank affiliate links. Okay, all right, so first of all, you have your Twitter account here. Of course, if you don't have a Twitter account, just open up a general account in whatever niche that you want to be in. Now, the three most popular niches are the health and wellness, the wealth or making money niche, and the dating or relationship niches. Those are the three most popular, the biggest niches, where you'll probably have the best chance to make money with, okay? So if you have a Twitter account, it could be in one of those niches. It could be anything. It could even be fishing or whatever niche you want. But just keep in mind the three most popular ones that I told you. But so, for example, for our video here, what I've done is I've typed into the search engine on Twitter. I typed in quotations, so it brings up the exact thing that you're looking for, exact wording. And I put here, I typed in, I need to lose weight, and then just hit search, and it brings up these comments right here from this particular group of people here. All right, and you see comments here, are you one of the individuals, and you see where it says, I need to lose weight, somebody put in here. Now, what we don't want to do is to sell anything here, because this is already somebody who's selling something right here on this. What we want to do is take comments down here where somebody says, I need to lose weight, I feel so fat all the time, I need to lose weight and start investing, so I went shopping and now I'm convinced I need to lose weight. And it goes on and on and on. There's all kinds of them. So that's good that there's all kinds of them. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can make money by doing this. Now, first of all, then we're going to come over to ClickBank Marketplace. So what you'll do is you'll log into ClickBank. If you don't have an account with ClickBank, it's free to open one. And then once you get your account, then just log in and then come in here and click on up here where it says Marketplace. And that shows you all the different niches here that you can get involved in. There's all kinds of them here. Now, what I did was I took the health and fitness niche, and I come down here, diets and weight loss, okay, and clicked on that. Now you can choose all kinds of the different ones here. They're all good. Anything in health and wellness is going to be good, or like I said, to one of those three niches, right? So I'm clicking on the weight loss, and I'm looking down through here. Now I notice that this one here, this is a new one right here, this fat decimator system by West Virgin. It's new for January, so it's a brand new launch on this particular product here, and it's doing really good. If you look down here at the gravity, when you look at gravity under these and it's a real high number like that, that means that other people are having lots of success selling this particular product online. Okay, and they're making a lot of money is being made just with this product alone. So what you do, if you want to see the product that's being offered, you can click over and you can see what all the product page looks like. And it's $37 to get started. And from that $37, each time you make a sale, you'll make $28. Now, here's another thing about this too. If you put your mouse over, see these two arrows down here? These two arrows right here, it says recurring billing under there. So that means when somebody buys this, this is going to be recurring billing every month. So you can set this up once and get somebody to buy, and you'll make that $28 every month every time they reorder the system. Okay? So that's a good thing. So you want to keep, you really like something that's recurring. That's called passive income. You know, it's okay to make a sale, you know, one time, make 28 bucks on one sale or whatever one time. That's great. But if you can get passive income where it's recurring billing, that's even that much better, right? You're going to, you know, you stand a better chance. You know, you do this now, and years later, you're going to still have money coming in from this a long time down the road, and you probably even won't even remember where you posted this at, but you're still seeing the money from it. Okay. So what we're going to do is we like this product right here. It's brand new for this year, January of 2019, and in launch right now. They even have a mobile. It works on phones, which is good too. You definitely want to check that out. So what we'll do is we would click the promote button. It would come up and you'd get your hop link here, or your affiliate link. Now I've already went ahead and did this before I started recording this, so I could show you. And then here is my hop link right here. Okay, it's got my affiliate stuff right in this link. Now, but that's an ugly link. ClickBank gives you ugly long links. So the best thing to do is to go to bit.ly.com and then just shorten it at bit.ly.com and put it in a nice, shorter, better looking link. Okay? So what we'll do then is, after we've copied that link and copied it into like Notepad and saved it, and then we'll come back to Twitter, and we've already typed this in. Now you can type in, for example, if you're doing the weight loss like I'm showing you here in this example, you could type this in, you could type in different ones, but make sure you put it in quotation marks so you get those exact words down here. It really zeroes in on your person, or your targeted person that you're after here. People that are wanting to lose weight, or needing to lose weight, or want to know how to lose weight. All right, so now you could type in anything. You could type up here like, how can I lose weight? Any different way that you want to type your keywords in, and it'll bring up the comments with those exact words, as long as you put them in quotation marks. All right, so for example, let's say this person right here says, I need to lose weight. I feel so fat all the time, right? So now what we would do is we would click on the comments and would leave a comment here, something along the line of like, I struggled, if I can spell right, I'll be good here. I struggled for a long time to lose weight myself, and this helped me. Okay, and then put down here, check out this link. Check out this link and see if this can help you also. Something along that line, right? So then we just come and we get our bit.ly link, right? Copy that, and then just paste it right here, right there, and then just click on reply. Actually, before we do that, I'm going to copy this, and I can just put it in all the other comments. Now, here's the thing about this: if you do this 100 times, you should get somewhere between 1 and 10 sales, right? Hopefully somewhere around there. Even if it's 2 sales, you're still, that's that's a little over almost 60 bucks that you're going to get right there per month if the person keeps recurring, the billing keeps buying again each month. All right. And there may be upsells to this too, which you can make even more money if they upsell and buy up the upsells. I didn't look into it on this particular product here if there were any upsells or not, but for the purposes of this tutorial here, this is how you can do this. So then you just go to the next one, and this person here talks about I need to lose weight, start investing. So click the comment on that, and then just paste your thing in here. Okay, and then click reply. And the next one, same thing. And if you do about 100 of these per day, you're bound to make some money. Okay, and the next one here, like that, and then this one here. You just want to make sure you don't want to paste it into somewhere where someone else, there's another marketer such as yourself or an affiliate marketer who's trying to sell something into someone also. You don't want to comment like this one here is selling one. If we click on that, it opens up, it comes over to Instagram, and you can see that this person is trying to promote this product here. It's not the same product we are, but it is another weight loss product. Okay, so we don't want to capitalize on theirs, so we just leave that one alone, and we just take all these other ones down here that we know that there's no one else marketing to them any weight loss products, right? So here's one. We'll just click and post our comment in here, and see, because you're helping solve people's problem. This is a good product. And obviously, you know, by the gravity of how it's selling, it's obviously a good product because it's being sold a lot. So people are getting results with this. So you're helping them. You're recognizing their problem and helping them at the same time, right? So yeah, just go down through and do these. Pardon me, that was my cell phone there. And just paste your link in there, and then do that about 100 times per day, and you should make some easy money on ClickBank by selling this product. And it's also recurring billing, and that should help you make some pretty good money. Okay, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today, guys, was how to make some easy money on ClickBank. Okay, so if they click through and on your links and buy, then you've made a commission. Okay, and that particular product there is 28, so figure about 30 bucks per sale, and then it's recurring, which is a good thing too. So make sure that if you're going to do it, make sure that it has recurring billing, so you can get paid over and over and over again each month. Okay, all right, guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Hey, if you like this video, reach down there, hit the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to reach down there and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified of when we post new videos. Okay. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you again. Also, check my link down there for my #1 business, my top business, where you can make up to $2,500 per sale, and you get over $3,600 worth of bonuses to see the business as well. Okay? Alright, guys, I'll see you again here in a couple days on the next video. You guys have a great and happy New Year day today. Alright? I'll see you later. Bye-bye now.